not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hey guys, ninjani? I'm good. Ngithe angenze i-vlog namhlanje just ukuthi ngizikhumbuze ukuthi kanje ngayiqala kanjani le channel. Ngayiqala ngendlela ey'ningi, right? Niyazi-ke nani ukuthi i-channel yami it's about many things. So this video, it's a vlog, also a motivation for you. Izothi masiyophela ngizobe sengikunika i-motivation encane, uyangithola? Okay, lana-ke bengiwasha izitsha. Ngithe ngisawasha izitsha kanti untomncane uzobuya esikoleni, wabuya fast esikoleni, kanti mina mhlambe ngi-late njengoba ngiwasha manje izitsha. Ayizwa le nto leyo, because the whole day I was crying here, like stressing, missing my mother. Guys, impilo ayikho lula. Uyena intomncane kamama lo, inkathi yami, intombazane yami. Okay guys, bengisho ukuthi like ukukhumbula umamakho kuhle kona, but ukumkhumbula useyinkingeni ungazi ukuthi which is which, you know, it's tough guys. So every day I have to be strong for my kids. Every day I have to fight for them. Ngiwasha izitsha ngapha ngiyapheka ngoba I have to make sure ukuthi kungabi sekuba khona impukane phela, kube sekuba nenkinga, kubonakala ukuthi ayibo umama waleli khaya bekhala. Bengikhala nje ungibona umuhle angithi. Ngize kumangaza. As a queen motivator, I just like to motivate you guys every now and then by the things that is happening to my life. Ngiyasurvive kona, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyangibona ukuthi ngiyazama. Even though kungekho lula, bona ngiyazama shem, because ngiyavuka ngiyakazi, ngiphinde ngivuke ngiyakazi, uyayibona le nto leyo. So ngiziwashela izitsha, make sure ukuthi everything is sorted, there's nothing stressing, because I don't know ukuthi kahle kahle ukuhila into enjani, ukulapheka into enjani. Into engiyaziyo ukuthi kumele ngibe strong, ngibambe la kubambeka khona, la kungabambeki khona ngithandaze ukuthi ngikwazi ukubamba nakhona. So guys, come on board to this channel and support the lady. And please, if you can leave the positive comment, motivate just a little bit, because this channel is for queens, motivators. You see, come, let's exercise together, let's do something. If you are judging, uzosheshe ufe phela ngoba wena unomona, wena yabona unenkinga, wena ufuna ukuguga fast, uyayibona. Okay guys, I will leave i-motivation ezoyenza ukuthi kube nomehluko omncane in your life, even though ngeke ngazi ukuthi kuzowenzakalani. Okay, cela nje uzinike ithuba uyimamele, ezibekade ngikhuthele vele ukuthi hayi abantu bami kumele ngibenzele le, because maybe there's someone out there who needs my words. All right, okay guys, enjoy. Okay guys, as I was saying, maybe this motivation for today can help you many ways, I don't know, but let me do what I'm capable of, or what I'm doing. Remember guys, I don't know English knows me. Today I'm cleaning and cooking at the same time. The broom is in one hand, the spoon is in the other. The floor needs attention, the pots need stirring, and life keeps moving even when the heart is still healing. I used to think healing would look like silence and rest, but I'm learning that healing sometimes looks like multitasking. It looks like washing dishes with tears in your eyes. It looks like sweeping the floor while thinking about your future. It looks like cooking dinner while rebuilding your strength. As I clean this room, I'm not just removing dust, I'm cleaning my mind. I'm removing all thoughts that tells me I'm not strong enough for what I'm doing. But no, I'm making space for peace. I'm choosing order in a life that once felt chaotic. And as I cook, I am reminded that I am still nurturing, I am still creating warmth, I am still building a safe home for my daughters. The pain did not stop my purpose. The loss did not cancel my motherhood. The grief did not erase my strength. Guys, life doesn't pause because we are hating. The children still needs love. The house still needs care. The future still needs effort. And instead of asking, why me? I'm learning to say, use me, God. Cleaning teaches me to let go. Cooking teaches me to provide. And both remind me that I am still capable. From now on, guys, our motivation will be about real life. Not just quotes, not just pretty words, but real moments. Love, growth, healing, motherhood, faith, rebuilding. Everything that is happening while we are still breathing, guys, and trying. If you are also cleaning your life while cooking up a new future, I see you. If you are healing while still showing up, I honor you. We are stronger than we feel. Please, guys, remember to support my channel by liking, leaving positive comments, and subscribing. Your love, your words, your encouragement truly give me strength. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my lovely people, for walking this journey with me. So just wait for another motivation every now and then. I'm taking step forward. Yeah, guys, trying to heal, trying to fight this pain, trying to ignore it. I think I'm in love with someone that doesn't know. I can tell the world that I'm in love with him, but only God knows. If he is the one, God will tell. Thank you, guys. Check my other videos. Like and share. Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.